Owning a website requires humongous work. It needs technical maintenance from time to time. There are various aspects to be taken care of, such as design, load time, debugging errors, technical glitches, downtime, and much more. To handle such essential tasks, we have numerous web hosting services available in the market. Web hosting providers give assistance and guidance to keep the website up and running. As there are abundant options, you must jot down your requirements and specific needs to find the best fit. Now, what is web hosting? As you know, the internet is vast. There is a lot of space lying around. A web hosting service provider assists in providing services for the web pages or the website on the internet. As there are plenty of options available in the market, in order to figure out the best web hosting providers, there are some factors that you must consider. The first factor is pricing. There are huge amounts of services both with expensive and less expensive pricing. However, you must note that more pricing does not always mean a seamless experience. The average pricing varies from $4 to $100 per month. Start by preparing your budget and then choose accordingly. Next up is disk space availability. The recommended disk space for starting up your website is at least 3 GB. There are ample items in a website that consume space on the server's disk. Some images and videos hog up a lot of disk space. For that, you mandatorily require this space. Traffic. Traffic is every organization's ultimate goal, and more traffic implies more revenue. It is definitely the game changer for your venture. Therefore, this becomes a crucial factor to consider while choosing your hosting plan. There are many providers who permit a limited number of visitors to the website. A small website can definitely sprint. However, you cannot expect higher traffic volumes with such a plan. Domain name. Several providers give a free domain name after you purchase their package. However, it's not mandatory. We advise you to choose the provider that helps you set up the domain name as well. It further eases down your hassle. Customer support. As there are several glitches and errors from time to time, customer support becomes crucial. A reliable and credible web hosting service will provide you with 24/7 excellent customer support. It is inclusive of live chat support, phone support, and even email support. Speed. Speed is a significant factor and directly impacts the overall growth of your website. Speed determines the website's load time, which in turn helps in attaining a high ranking on Google and greater customer satisfaction. Different providers provide different speeds, so do not forget to check on this factor. WordPress compatibility. At present, most people work on WordPress to build their websites. It is easy, user-friendly, and does not require hardcore coding knowledge. Various providers have pre-installed WordPress on the server. Do check if your provider helps you with this functionality. Location of the servers. Many providers give you an option to pick the location of your server during the registration. It is better to keep multiple locations rather than just one. Why? Well, if one server gets corrupted, you still have your data saved on other servers. Besides, choose the location of your server closest to your target audience. Now, it's time to present the list of the best web hosting providers with complete detail. Let's begin. MonoVM.com. MonoVM provides one of the best quality customer experiences with convenience. There are some excellent features for the users. Some of them are instant activation. Once the user confirms the payment, they provide their services and activate the domain simultaneously. WHOIS protection. Privacy protection helps to keep the information private. Free webmail. The company provides 2 professional email addresses via their free email service as soon as you purchase their package. MonoVM presents different packages such as dedicated server, VPS hosting, web hosting, and SSL. The price range differ for each package. Bluehost. Bluehost provides powerful and affordable hosting with guaranteed 99.99% uptime. Over 2 million websites have chosen Bluehost as their hosting provider. Some of the stunning features provided by this hosting provider are fast and secure. With Bluehost, the client gets protection from DDoS attacks, minimized server latency, and free SSL certificates for additional website security. Customer support. The professional experts are available 24/7 to support and solve your technical queries. Moreover, the help centers include tutorial, videos, and guides as well. Money back guarantee. If the users are not satisfied with the services, the users can get a refund within 30 days of their sign up. It provides services for WordPress hosting, shared hosting, and e-commerce hosting. Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the most credible and trustworthy web hosting providers across the globe. It has successfully opted by 40 countries. This provider is backed up with powerful features that make it stand out from the rest. The features are easy setup, fast websites, WordPress optimized, highly flexible and scalable, 24/7 customer support, user-friendly control panel, money-back guarantee, powerful provider with a variety of tools. They provide services for single web hosting, premier web hosting, business web hosting. A2 hosting. A website hosting provider has a massive impact on page loading speed. Various other aspects such as SEO, high conversion rates, low bounce rates depict the success of your website. A2 hosting provides a power-packed solution to every problem. Some of the stunning features that it provides are super fast hosting, user-friendly, ultra-reliable, developer-friendly, management of WordPress hosting. It provides services for shared web hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS web hosting, and dedicated hosting. SiteGround. This hosting provider presents spectacular speed and security for your WordPress websites. It is trusted by approximately 28 lakhs domains worldwide. Some of its stunning features are 24/7 customer support, premium Google Cloud, fast server setup, user-friendly, security features, smart WAF. Some of the services that they provide are web hosting, WordPress hosting, and WooCommerce hosting. WPEngine. This provider proves to be one of the most credible and trustworthy web hosting providers available. It helps to boost the performance of your WordPress website and protect your business. It is backed up by incredible 24/7 support. The features are extraordinary performance, faster websites, dedicated support, excellent client management. The services offered by WPEngine are WordPress hosting and e-commerce hosting. InMotion Hosting. InMotion Hosting is a leading hosting provider in the industry. It rules the market due to its ample features and trustworthiness. The features are 99.99% uptime and security monitoring, 90-day money-back guarantee, over 5 lakh WordPress installations worldwide, open source community and development, safe and secure. The services that it provides is for shared hosting and WordPress hosting. With this, we have reached the end of this video. As we mentioned above, do check the essential factors before purchasing a package as per your needs. Web hosting provider provides you with every assistance and guidance to maintain your website. Thereby, it becomes crucial to pick a reliable and credible hosting provider. Do tell us in the comment section below which web hosting provider do you prefer the most. Thanks for watching our video. See you soon.